Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie, and I'm in the bowels of the shed back here, pulling some video games. We're pulling orders that I sold on eBay yesterday. Not a ton today, but that's going to allow me some time to do some listing. I also need to take a couple hours and cut grass today, which is a pain in the butt, but I just got to do it. I haven't done it yet this year. It's starting to get out of hand. We got like wildflowers and stuff growing in the yard, so got to take care of that today for sure. What else? Doing plenty of listing. Candace and I will be playing trivia tonight, so we haven't played that in a while. What else? Oh, first order is actually going to a viewer, Brittany. Brittany bought something from me last week too. Same thing, some games, some NES games. And I was pleasantly surprised to wake up and see a nice little order come in from Brittany. So thanks a bunch. I appreciate that. She bought 10 more games, so that was really sweet. If you look at the games that I have left back here, I don't know, how many games is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna estimate I got about 60 games left. And I started with, what, 247? So, Brittany, you just bought a big chunk of games from me. Let's look and see what we sold. Okay, Brittany got a nice mix here of different value games. The whole order was $84.30 plus shipping. But, okay, Legend of Cage here was $4.99. Dirty Harry, $4.99. This WWF Steel Cage was $5.99. Urban Champion was $7.99. What is this? Oh, Trojan was $4.99. POW $5.99. So these are mostly like $4 and $5 games. Pro Wrestling $4.99. So this is a great way. I'm very happy to sell a bunch on one order, especially since, you know, they're like $4 or $5 games or whatever. This was the one that was worth a little more though. RoboCop 3. And yes, I know that is not Arnold Schwarzenegger. Oh man, the first time around, the first RoboCop game I sold like a RoboCop and actually a couple of Arnold Schwarzenegger movie games, you know, with that. And I said something about Arnold Schwarzenegger and I got blasted. Because I basically said that Arnold Schwarzenegger was in RoboCop. And he wasn't. It was Peter Weller. I'll never forget that now. Yeah, RoboCop 3 sold for $29.99. And let's see what else we got. 2 more. Solstice, $4.99. And then this game, Gumshoe, which I've never even played, $9.99. And then, of course, I paid some shipping. So, Brittany, thanks again. I hope you like the games. They're going to go out this morning. All right, I had somebody pay for a couple of Hot Wheels that they won on auction. Let's see. Total order was $10.49. So one car was $4.99. The other was like $5.49. And then they paid shipping, of course. This is a Hot Wheels Pack-In Pacer from 1977. And this is a 1981 Jeep CJ7. So I've got, I think, just a few more that haven't been paid for yet. So I'll have to send reminders or whatever today about those. And then, last night I put all the cars that hadn't sold. I started up another 7-day auction on them. So, yeah, we'll see how those go on the second run. I think I'll run them 3 times at auction, and then I'll put them on buy it now for maybe a month. And then after that, I'll probably lot them up. So that's how I'm going to handle that. Okay, I sold one of these Play Arts figures. Robin. Where you at, Robin? Not there, not there, not there. Not there. It's Joker. Must be over here. That's Batman. Okay. Catwoman. And who is this? Oh, that's Robin. That's a dark looking Robin. Hopefully y'all can see it Well, you'll see it in the photo. But that is a really dark looking robin. I never thought of robin being like that. Man. Yeah, $29.99 plus shipping on top for this robin right here. Okay, sold another one of these Clem shirts. So I have, what, 4 left. I've sold 3 so far. All right, size large. I'm getting, I'm dropping it. I'm getting $29.99 plus shipping for these. So these have been a great deal. Actually see the price tag still on it. I paid $3.50. So that's an awesome return. And they're selling much faster than most clothes. So that is that brand. A few of y'all said y'all have heard of it before. But that brand is definitely a do again if I ever see it. Okay, I have, hopefully they're in here. Okay, good, they are in here. Neo Geo Pocket Color or something like that. I think it's one of these. I gotta look at the computer real quick. See if I can figure out which one this is. Okay, yeah, it's this one. I couldn't tell because it was it's in Japanese. So yeah, $6.99 plus shipping. Nothing big there. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. This is the binder of autographs here. This is a Doctor Who signed card by John Leeson as the voice of K9, that robot from the Doctor Who show. So that's pretty cool. This one took a while to sell. I had it priced at like 23 bucks, and I got an offer of $18 plus shipping on top yesterday, and I took it. So that's a good sale. I'll put that in a top loader and stuff and cardboard before I ship it. Okay, and then the other card that I sold is this costume card, Star Trek Voyager, Neelix. You can see like there's some material right here. That's actual material from a costume that they wore on that show. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh, did y'all notice? I did hang my signs. I have a Fallout Shelter sign up here. That's from Ernest. And then I hung my other sign, Shop Rates, and it's got the spinner thing on it. If you want to watch, $10. Want to help, $20. Tried to fix it first, $30. Think you're an expert, $40. So that sign was from Tanya Thrifty Treasures on YouTube, who I'm going to link below. Tanya's a good friend. She's been making content for a long time. Go check her out. Go give her a look. I'm going to put her link right there. And then Ernest, I don't think Ernest has a YouTube channel, but Ernest is a cool dude. He sent me this awesome sign. It's in great condition too. So I need no more than 229 of you to join me in the shed if we run into, some problems here. I don't know where we're all gonna fit. How many of y'all could fit down each one of these aisles? Like if we really stack people in these aisles, maybe what? Maybe 30 people could fit in each aisle, like really like packed in there. So I don't know. But anyway, yeah, those signs are cool, huh? And yeah, this card, I had it priced at $13.49. I took a best offer of $10 plus shipping on top. That is all the sales from today. I'm going to pack this stuff up. I'm going to do a live working hangout. It's going to be on my other channel today, Garage Flips Live. So that'll be fun. I'm going to put a link for my Garage Flips Live channel down below too, if you're curious. If you want to see how it went, you can go back and watch the replay later if you like. But what a difference a day makes, right? Look, yesterday I barely fit these into 3 of these bags. Today I pack it up in less than an hour and it fits into 1 bag. So, but I'm gonna make use of this time today. After this, like I said, I gotta cut grass. And actually I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna listen to some podcasts or something, chill out, and then I'll come back in here and do a little bit of listing. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Hey guys, so I'm doing a little listing right now. Right now, I'm about to look up comps on this glove. Hopefully they're going to be pretty good. But this is, I just jot my listings down here. So far, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 listings for, okay, 10 listings for $305. So, I got about another hour I can list today. My day was kind of cut short because of cutting grass, but I got the grass done. So I listed some stuff that's not so hot. These puzzles here, 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 and here I listed. And then there's a Polaroid camera in here that I listed. There's a webcam C510 that I listed back in here, right there. There's a little light box thing I listed, and then oh, that, what was it called? Something for remote, some kind of home automation remote control thing, and then this stock market game, which is probably going to be there a while. But yeah, I'm gonna get let me look up these comps on this glove real quick, because I don't see too many catcher's mitts. They're rare for me to find those. Okay, this exact model I wasn't able to find except until I went to Worth Point. One sold for like 25 bucks 2 years ago. So CM 116. So I don't know what I might do, like 40 your best offer and see what happens. There's also some other models of this Regent catcher's mitt that have gone for like really cheap. So I don't know what, I don't think I have much here. It is made in Japan and it feels nicely made, so I don't know. I'm gonna try 40 your best offer. I'll see what happens. So I've listed 13 for 405 now, so it's been a pretty good day. Now I'm setting up this McDonald's. It's pretty neat looking, huh? The only thing, like, it looks fairly complete. It's got some wear, like there's this waxy paper type I don't know, pad or whatever the heck you call it. It's got some tears and stuff. This, you can see, it looks like it might have been chewed up by a dog or something. I don't know. And I think it's supposed to have a clip on the bottom here to clip into there. That's missing. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But it looks like we have all the people and the cars and a lot of the other stuff. There's a bunch of trays in the tray return over here, so I'm thinking it's fairly complete. And I do have the box, so that's good. Candace and I are going to trivia tonight, so we may take a little bit of video there. We're going to a new place we haven't been before. There's supposed to be somebody really good at trivia there, so maybe we can take them on. I don't know. They're supposed to be like really good, like a doctor or something like that playing. But yeah, let's see how we do.
Hi.
Hey Candace, what you doing?
Nothing.
Wait, what's going on here? What is this guy doing?
He knocked down the sign. I'm gonna wreck it.
Oh boy. Okay, so we went to trivia. How'd we do at trivia, Candace?
Great.
We did horrible.
Yeah, we did bad.
Yeah, they had some jerk.
Brainiac.
Yeah, Brainiac guy. We found out later he's been on Jeopardy before. That team went perfect.
Yeah.
So what do you think about my signs?
I like them.
What do you think about my placement of Fallout Shelter sign? Not great, huh?
Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. I probably would have put it in that little corner.
I was gonna put it right there, which I still can. If I do that, I gotta use those little hangers though, because there's that's like, if I put it right there, there are wires running right down that 2x4.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know. I can go there. I mean, it's so light I could use thumbtacks. You know, 4 thumbtacks. It'd be fine like that.
Yeah.
But I hung Tanya's sign. I hung Fallout Shelter.
Tanya sent you this?
Yeah, that's someone.
I didn't see that.
Oh.
Thanks, Tanya.
Sorry. Well, I thought I told you about it. What's your favorite one? Are you afraid to say?
The BMX one.
Yeah? You think?
Yeah.
You know what my favorite one is?
What?
Guess.
Thunder Inn.
Yep. It is. I mean, there's some other ones I really like. Thunder Inn is my favorite. I just feel like it has the most actual history behind it. I don't know. I just like that one the best. I don't know. Hard to say. Anyways, that's gonna be it for tonight. Need to go ahead and get this thing edited. Bye, y'all. Good night.
Good night.